Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of PHP, that is PHP version 8.3.9 on Windows operating system. And after that, I am also going to show you how you can easily create a simple Hello World PHP program and how to run that on our console. So to watch the video till the end, I can guarantee if you watch the video till the end, you'll be learning a lot of new things. And if you still face any issues in middle, you can always comment in our comment sections. I'll try my best to help you. Now to install latest version of PHP, first thing that you need to do is you need to go to your favorite browser and then you need to search over here PHP download and hit enter. So that's going to show you this www.php.net as a first search result. So to click on this download PHP and that's going to redirect to the official site of PHP. So this link php.net I'm going to provide right in our description, so you can directly use that link to land over here, and once you are here you'll be able to see the latest version at the time of making of this video is PHP version 8.3.9 and here you'll get Windows download link, so you have to click on that. So that's going to again redirect to this page. So here I'll always recommend you to download this thread safe one. So click on this zip file and it's going to start automatically downloading our PHP. You can see that it started, right? I have already downloaded it, so I'll cancel this. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory and here you can see that our PHP version 8.3.9 is already been downloaded over here. So you need to just simply right click and you need to click on extract all, click on extract, and that's going to immediately start extracting our PHP. You can see it is actually started and it is done. So our PHP is rightly extracted and here is our extracted folder. So close this first. So if you go inside this folder, it contains all the files. So what you need to do next is you need to just rename this folder path, alright, to something little shorter. So something like PHP 8.3.9, alright. And then you need to cut this folder and go to your C drive and just simply paste it over here. So this PHP folder after extracting we have successfully pasted on our C drive, and now you need to just simply select this path, then right click and copy this path and go to search and type environ. So that will show you this edit the system environment variables. Open that and click on environment variables over here, and then under system variables you will see path over here. So you need to click on this path and then you need to click on edit. So that's going to open this edit the environment variable window. Here I need to click on new, then right click and paste that PHP path. Remember that C drive we have pasted this PHP 8.3.9 folder, right? So that similar thing is what you need to do, and click on OK, and then again OK, and then again OK. And now if you just simply minimize this and if you just simply go to search and type cmd, it will show you command prompt. Open the command prompt and if you just simply type PHP over here space -- version and hit enter, you'll be able to see the latest version of PHP version 8.3.9 is successfully shown on our console. So if you get this similar type of prompt, then all that basically means is your PHP is successfully installed. Now I'll quickly show you how to create a simple PHP program. So let's create a PHP folder. Go inside that PHP folder, right click, new, a text document. Give this text document as hello and remove this .txt with .php. You might be wondering that how this .php or .txt is coming for me and probably it is not coming for you, right? So for that what you need to do is you need to click on this view and then you need to hover over the show and then you need to enable this file name extension. See, I have a tick mark icon beside file name extensions, right? So that is what you need to enable. So once you have that tick mark beside file name extension, you'll be able to see all these different type of file name extensions. So like .txt or .php or .py or .java, whatever. All right. So that basically explains what type of file it is. So see under type it is telling PHP file, right? So that's the meaning of these file name extensions. So just open this in a notepad and write a simple hello world PHP code snippet. So PHP closing tag, and I am going to just simply go hello world over here. Alright, so now just simply write this much, go to file, save this file, minimize this, go to this address bar, type cmd to open our command prompt, write at this location, and here if you just simply type something like php and then your file name, which is hello.php, and hit enter, you can see the output clearly coming on our console, hello world, right? So whatever you have written over here, had you have written some other name, maybe if you are writing your name like echo probably your name, that name should be showing up over here. Alright, so in this way you can easily install PHP. I have recently started Geeky Syntax channel, so here regularly I am posting coding related videos, so please do subscribe at Geeky Syntax channel along with Geeky Script vlogging channel, and I am recently making lot of videos on WordPress, so if you're interested you can also watch all these different videos on my channel including this playlist. So all these links you will get on our description. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.